Hey guys, this is Brian with American Steel Carports, and today we're out here in Azle, Texas. It's a little wet right now, it's starting to rain. We're in front of a 26 by 51 by 12 foot tall building. It's got a 412 pitch roof. It's got vertical sides and vertical ends. It's got 26 gauge ag panel. The colors on it are hunter green and ash gray. It's got a wood core door, 36 by 80 inch. It's got several 36 by 36 inch windows. It's got two overhead doors. One's a 16 by 10 and the other one is a 10 by 8. The customer is going to be making it into part of a sleeping arrangement. It has plumbing all throughout it. The concrete's already done. The other part is just going to be a his and hers garage. They already have one of their vehicles inside, and we're looking forward to see what else they put inside. We're looking forward to see if they let us come back when they finish out the storage area. We know that they're going to be putting in a sink, an interior wall, probably a bed frame and something else. But all in all, it's a really nice looking building. Well, that's it for me here in Azle, Texas. This is Brian with American Steel Carports, here to give you information and show you all that we can do so that you can get your dream metal building too.